So today we are going to remove the rear wheel of a 2014 VFR800F. This one does have the bags, the deluxe with ABS, all the other nice little farkles on it. So set the bag out of the way. We have a Two Brothers exhaust. The stock exhaust comes off just about the same. We've got a 12mm nut and a 12mm bolt that holds the exhaust on. We're just going to loosen that, and then we're going to remove our springs. So if you don't have one of these spring pullers, it's a good idea to buy one. Typically when you buy an exhaust system, the spring puller will come included with the exhaust system. Just pop those springs off and then finish removing the 12mm bolt. And then once this bolt is out of the way, your exhaust should slide right off the mid pipe. So we just grab that pipe and it slides right off, and then let's set the pipe to the side, and then we're going to grab a 19mm socket and loosen the lug nuts. Not a bad idea to put the bike in gear before you start doing this. There's only 80 foot-pounds of torque on these lug nuts, so they shouldn't be too hard to take off. Definitely, that's not a lot of torque when putting the lugs on. So again, that's 80 foot-pounds. And then once you get these 5 broken free, then you can just spin them right off with the socket and an extension. I love the wheel on these 8th gen VFRs. I have a 4th gen and a 5th gen that have the 4-lug, and I would love to have the 5-lug wheel on the back of either one of those. I think it would. This wheel just looks great to me. All right, so we're on the last lug. We're gonna take this wheel off. This wheel's gonna get and this bike is going to get a new set of Road Smart 2s. These are the OEM tires. They are 6 years old. I took the bike out onto the Skyway to finish off the tread. These tires have 3,900 miles on them right now. So whoever had this bike before me really treated it well, because I cannot get 2,000 miles out of a set of tires. So it is a little bit flat spotted in the middle, but that's okay. I'll put new tires on, and then I'll just start shredding those new tires in the mountains on this bike. So thanks for watching my video. My next one will be us putting this wheel and tire back on the machine.